Alright, so I have a very weird problem with my Fortnite, with voice chat. So I have all my sound configured correctly, but when I actually try to like get my voice chat to work, it's stuck on party chat. But even if there's someone in my party, like when I have a friend in here, it won't let me select it and I can't hear him or talk to him or anything. And it even says game chat here. But I can't click this. So the only fix that I've found was waiting a couple days for it to actually reset. But that, that doesn't always work. So the only way I've found a fix was, first of all, let's get off of the game. So what we want to do is we want to go to where we downloaded it. So go to the download and then type in Epic Games or just Epic. So this is the newest version. So you want to run it, remove it. So it'll delete Epic. Oh, hold on. So I have to run this. I have to remove it from my computer. So it deletes the launcher and Fortnite. But just because I'm doing this doesn't mean that everything's gone. That's the issue. There's so many different files on my computer that are like connected to Fortnite that it doesn't even get removed. So what you want to do is you want to type in %appdata%. Go back to local and then find the Fortnite and just click delete. So it can't even delete it. That's the thing. So I have to delete this. Okay. And then I have to skip that. Delete all these. Rename this file. And then it allows me to delete it. And then I can delete the Fortnite game. It's just some weird issue I have on my PC for the admin, whatever. So now that that's gone, we're going to find Epic Games, and I don't even think it's here. Yeah, it's not here. We're going to check local low. Nothing there. Roaming. Nothing there. Okay. And then we're going to go to our C drive, which is where the game was installed. We're going to delete Epic off of it. So now that that's gone, we're going to delete okay, there's nothing there. E, no, not shadow play. Nothing there. F, games, nothing there. Okay. Now that that's gone, we are going to go into the registry. And you have to be very, very careful. If you do not know what you're doing, literally just follow what I'm doing. We're going to go to current user, software, Epic Games, just click delete. And that's it. We're going to check the system. Okay, nothing in there. So we're going to go to the local machine now, go to software. There's nothing there. System, software, okay, nothing there. Users, you're going to go through each of these. Epic Games, delete. Close that one. Then we're going to go to S15, software. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Software. There's nothing there. All right, yeah. Nothing there either. Software, system, okay. So now that we're done with the registry, we can close that. What else? Just trying to think. Oh yeah, the firewall. Firewall. When you go into here and then delete Okay, there's nothing there. Just making sure, nothing there. Now we can go ahead and restart the PC just in case. So, okay, so now that we're back with the restart, we're going to go back to where we downloaded it. So type in epic, run. You can try to reinstall it just to the default spot, but I've found that if you have another hard drive like an SSD or something, it's better to install it in a new spot. So we're going to name, I'm just going to make a new folder on my F drive. Click install. Because essentially, after deleting all the files on the C drive and the directory and all that, it basically resets all the permissions and everything installed previously. So when you install it on a new drive, it'll basically be completely fresh. Unless your client save data is messed up. Because that's cloud-based. I don't think you can even change that. Okay, so now that this is here, we're going to go to the library, click install on Fortnite. And when asked where you want to put it, just put it on the drive where you installed Epic Games. So I'm going to put it to games, make a new thing, Fortnite, select folder. Okay, so now I can click install. If you only have one drive, it probably will still work because it's happened before and I've done it on the same drive. But yeah, it's better to do it on two if you have to. And then you want to go down to the bottom right just to ensure that you have your sound correctly set up. So I have everything disabled except for the speakers that I actually use. It's fine if you just have it set as default, and then none of this matters. Okay, now that the game has been installed, we're going to launch it. And let's just see if it works. See, would you like to automatically apply the best settings for your system? I click decline. Go ahead and click play. Go to lobby and then do your settings. So I play on all low, drag this up. Turn off motion blur, that on. Then all these settings are still the same, so you don't have to worry about them. And as you can see, voice chat, push to talk, all that is already on. We can click apply. Yes. Now, hopefully when I get into a game, my voice chat will work. So here's the thing. It normally will ask me, like as soon as I log into the game, a firewall option will pop up. And once I click allow, the voice chat will work. Yep, so there you go. There's the firewall option. You click allow, and then boom, it starts working. Hello? Okay, so attempt number 2, because those people did not want to speak to me. So let's see if we can actually get someone that'll talk to us, just to prove my point that it works. I'm the only one in game chat currently. Just gotta wait for people. Hello?
What's up?
What's up, dude? So as you can
How
see,
you
the
doing?
voice chat now works. You know, just trying to fix my voice chat, and I got it to work now.
Nice.
I gotta log out though. Peace.
Alright, see ya.
So as you can see, it works. If this works for
I
you,
have to go too, because I'm playing with my
okay, whatever, dude. If this works for you, make sure to sub to my other channel, which is my main one. I make montages and other Fortnite videos. Link in the description. If you want to like this video, but use code COMI in the item shop. And I hope you have a good day. Peace.